Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel. Step into the world of Islamic wisdom with Islam Quiz Learn. Welcome to the Quran Quiz Challenge, a fun way to test your understanding of Allah's noble book. Perfect for beginners and learners to enjoy daily lessons and grow your faith. Think you know the Quran well? Stay till the end to count your score. Let's see if you can get 50 out of 50. Each question has 3 options, A, B, and C. Subscribe today, join our community, and learn more about Islam. Ready? Let's begin. Bismillah. What is the ruling on men wearing silk? It's haram. What is the ruling on women wearing silk? It's halal. What is the ruling on men wearing gold jewelry? It's haram. What is the ruling on women wearing gold jewelry? It's halal. Is covering aura, private parts, obligatory in Islam? Obligatory. Must men cover from navel to knees? Obligatory. Should women cover entire body except face and hands? Obligatory. Are transparent or tight clothes showing aura allowed? It's haram. Is tattooing the body considered halal or haram? It's haram. Is cultural nose piercing for women halal in Islam? It's halal. What is the ruling on men wearing earrings? It's haram. Is shaving the beard completely considered halal or haram? It's haram. Is trimming the beard to a neat length halal in Islam? It's halal. Is dyeing hair black for deception halal or haram? It's haram. Is using henna or natural hair dyes halal in Islam? It's halal. Is wearing clothes with arrogance considered halal or haram? It's haram. Is using perfume with alcohol for external use halal? It's haram. Is perfume without alcohol halal to use? It's halal. Is it haram for men to imitate women in clothing? It's haram. Is it haram for women to imitate men in clothing? It's haram. Is wearing clothes with offensive or haram images allowed in Islam? It's haram. Is wearing clothes below ankles out of pride halal? It's haram. Is wearing modest cultural attire like abaya or shalwar kameez halal? It's halal. Is cosmetic surgery for beauty only halal or haram? It's haram. Is cosmetic surgery for medical necessity halal in Islam? It's halal. Is plucking eyebrows excessively halal or haram? It's haram. Is removing a unibrow for tidy grooming halal in Islam? It's halal. Does wearing nail polish for women invalidate wudu during salah? Invalidates wudu. Is it halal for men to color their nails? It's haram. Are long fingernails grown for vanity disliked in Islam? Disliked. Are halal certified cosmetics permissible to use? It's halal. Are hair extensions with human hair halal or haram? It's haram. Is using synthetic wigs for necessity halal in Islam? It's halal. Is permanent tattooing like microblading halal in Islam? It's haram. Are temporary henna designs halal in Islam? It's halal. Is wearing modest sportswear for women halal in Islam? It's halal. Is it halal for men to wear tight shorts revealing awrah in public? It's haram. Is modesty in public dressing obligatory in Islam? Obligatory. Is wearing leather made from pigs halal or haram? It's haram. Is wearing leather from halal slaughtered animals permissible? It's halal. Is dyeing beard with henna, reddish or orange, halal in Islam? It's halal. Are permanently glued fake eyelashes halal or haram? It's haram. Are temporary removable fake eyelashes halal in Islam? It's halal. Is wearing amulets with shirk-related symbols halal or haram? It's haram. Is carrying tasbih beads for remembrance halal in Islam? It's halal. Is wearing modest fashion branded clothes halal in Islam? It's halal. Is wearing silk ties for men halal or haram? It's haram. Is mixing halal and haram fabrics with doubt permissible? Doubtful. Is buying and wearing second-hand clothing halal in Islam? It's halal. Is dressing neatly and cleanly part of sunnah? It's halal. Jazakallah khair for joining us on Islam Quiz Learn. How did you do with today's challenge? Count your score and share it in the comments below. We have loved to see if you hit that perfect 50. Stay connected for more daily lessons to enrich your faith and explore the noble Quran. Subscribe now, join our thriving community, and keep unlocking the treasures of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.